Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Product. Today we're checking out a compact and versatile tool for DIY lovers, the best cordless electric screwdriver. If you want something easy to use and reliable, stick around for the full review. Let's get started. Product features. 2-in-1 design. Let's kick things off with what makes this screwdriver stand out, the 2-in-1 design. The L20C is not just a cordless screwdriver. It also doubles as a rechargeable flashlight, which is incredibly useful when working in dark or tight spaces. You don't need a second hand to hold a separate light while you work. Whether you're fixing something under a sink or assembling furniture in a dim corner, this screwdriver has you covered. 3-position pivoting handle. Next, let's talk about flexibility and comfort. The screwdriver features a 3-position pivoting handle. That means you can adjust the grip to 3 different angles depending on the task. Whether you're reaching into a tight cabinet, working at awkward angles, or screwing vertically above your head, this feature makes it easy and comfortable. The ergonomic comfort grip handle also helps reduce hand fatigue, which is especially helpful during longer projects. Built-in flashlight. Another fantastic feature is the built-in LED flashlight. This isn't just a small accent light. It's bright enough to illuminate your entire work area. It's great for low light spots like closets, garages, under desks, or behind appliances. The flashlight turns on easily and makes this tool an excellent choice for emergency use as well. Lightweight and compact. The L20C is lightweight and compact, making it easy to handle and carry around. It's designed for precision and control, which is especially useful when working with delicate screws or in tight spaces. Because of its light weight, it's also easier on your hands and wrists, even during extended use. This is ideal for both beginners and pros looking for a reliable, everyday screwdriver. Cordless convenience. Let's not forget the cordless design, powered by a 4V Max rechargeable battery. The cordless functionality gives you full freedom of movement, with no cables getting in your way. The 4V battery provides enough power for standard household jobs like assembling shelves, tightening loose screws, and minor repairs. The built-in battery is rechargeable, which helps save on costs over time and reduces the hassle of battery replacements. Pros. 2-in-1 screwdriver plus flashlight combo. 3-position pivot handle for versatile use. Bright built-in LED light. Lightweight and compact design. Cordless with long-lasting 4-volt max battery. Cons. Not suitable for heavy-duty drilling. No torque adjustment for delicate materials. Limited power for larger screws or hard materials. Final thoughts. To sum it all up, the Black Plus Decker L20C cordless electric screwdriver is a perfect tool for light-duty DIY tasks, furniture assembly, and quick home repairs. Its dual-purpose design, pivoting handle, and built-in flashlight make it not just convenient, but genuinely smart and practical. If you're looking for a handy, affordable, and compact screwdriver for your home toolkit, this one is definitely worth considering. Check the price from the link in the description. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more useful product reviews, only on Best Product. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.